Everyone's looking at more sustainable product packaging, and pouches are leading the new wave of low environmental impact consumer delivery. Here at CS Pouches, we manage, print and convert everything in-house at our site in Wolverhampton. Our pouches are digitally manufactured. But what does that mean? Lightweight, making it easier to ship, store and market to consumers. Customizable, bespoke presentation, using high-definition print. Make your brand stand out. Fast turnaround. Order what you need and save on costly storage fees. Innovative. It's never just a pouch, it's a marketing tool. Cheaper to manufacture. There's no origination, tooling or setup costs. So, what is a flexible pouch? A flexible pouch is made from a choice of material, which is printed onto, then folded and sealed, ready to be filled. There are various styles available and finishing options to choose from. For example, you can have a pouch that stands up, has a window and a resealable zip, or a three-sided seal that has a Euro slot hook and tear notches. We have three types available: K-seal, stand-up pouch with gusset, Doi, pouch with gusset, and three-sided seal, no gusset. Want pictures or instructions in different languages, or even promotion details? No problem. With digital print, you can combine different sorts into a single run, saving time, cost and energy. Wants to order? Here's what you need to know. Number 1. What size do you need? To measure the width, take the measurements from left to right. To measure the length, take the measurements from top to bottom. For any gusseted pouch, for example Doi or K-seal, open the bottom of the pouch to its widest extent and measure the width across. 2. What material is most suitable? Consider what is going inside the pouch. 3. Do you need accessories? A window, Euro slot, resealable zip, tear notches. 4. How many do you need? Are there multiple designs? If you're still unsure, head to our website to see our frequently asked questions. CS Pouches is a division of multi-award-winning CS labels. With over 40 years' experience, we can guide you through the process in getting exactly the packaging you need. Speak to one of our team. We'll help you each step of the way. It's not just a pouch, it's a marketing tool.